Hey guys, Gerald here from Oneupreviewz. We got a special treat actually. We got 2 pickups instead of the usual 1. Fresh from Crep City, we got this tote bag. Didn't get any pickups there unfortunately, but you can see the highlights of it from our past videos. We might be there when you look at the recommended videos in the sidebar. But yeah, I got a couple of t-shirts and sweater. This really cool tote bag, like I mentioned, I think it's so dope because it can fit 2 shoes in it, as mentioned by the Crep City Facebook group. And we got this really cool Crep City cup, free. So as mentioned, we got 2 pickups. We'll do this one first. My very first pair of Asics Gel Lyte 3s. Let's look at the specs. It's UK size 8, European 41.5, and a US size 9. Let's open it up. Thought it was really cool. I already got these for £50 from Depop. Shout out to Connor Langton. I don't know how to like get at you except through Depop, but still thanks for giving me such a good deal. First impressions of this shoe. Actually, when I got it, I tried it on. Really comfortable. Great inner sock. Great support on the midsole. Well, let's look into it deeper. So we'll start with the outer sole. It's normal rubber traction. Asics logo there. Sorry if it's a bit dirty. But whatever. Pick it up. Show you the side and the midsole. As I mentioned, the midsole is it's rubber midsole. Great support. It is a running trainer. If you look up where the Asics logo is, that's really cool. Like even though you wouldn't think purple and tan go together, it actually complements each other. You know, with the contrasting like dark and very vibrant purple. And we've got the Gel Lyte 3 here. It's got the synthetic nubuck toe cap here. The heel tap is synthetic nubuck as well. It's kind of suede feel. And it's got a 3M light, what do you call it? The 3M underlay. So if you were to shine a light on it, it will reflect back at it. It's really cool. And how can we forget about the iconic Gel Lyte 3 split tongue? Really different. You won't see any type of shoe, but a Gel Lyte 3. It's really comfortable around the feet. Yeah, it's a great summer purchase, I think. Good for shorts, chinos, and we're gonna do a little on feet. I'm wearing like mum jeans, so we'll see what it looks like with that. Cool. Thanks guys for watching. We got another video of me wearing the Reebok Workout Plus and a review as well. Till then, you know, follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz, hashtag Oneupreviewz when you take pictures of your crep, your trainers, your kicks. And until next time, well, till the other video, peace.
Every day I spend my time